Hey y'all, today I'm making an outdoor Taco Tuesday recipe. This is 1 pound of ground beef. And look, I'm trying a brand new taco seasoning. I was on that Skillet kick for a while, but I'm gonna try this Kinder's seasoning. That goes in the whole packet. Mix that together. This is 1 yellow onion that I've already chopped up and diced. I'm gonna add that all in here. Smelling like a backyard already. Backyard barbecue. And then we're gonna cook this until the onions get a little bit softer. It'll take a few minutes. Once those onions have softened and cooked down, we're gonna be taking, this is 1 can of drained sweet kernel corn. Whole pan in there. Also going to be adding 1 can of rotel, but this one we're not draining. We're using that liquid. Stir that together. Add a couple more things. This is a 2-cup bag of Colby Jack shredded cheese. I'm only adding half. And this is an 8-ounce tub of sour cream. 8 ounces is 1 cup, so the whole thing goes inside. Mix all of that together. I'm going to turn the heat off and just kind of flatten this into 1 layer. I'm going to take the other half of that Colby Jack cheese and we're going to make a layer right on top. And once that is in there, we're gonna take these crispy rounds, crispy crowns. Did you know that these bags are, like, they're all sealed, but they have these like holes, like a perforation? Like, how does it actually stay safe? But you should be able to, just like, take these rounds, I'm gonna pop them. And once this is all covered in these amazing tater tots, have your oven set at 400 degrees, and then you're going to go ahead and set them in there for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once you have this out of the oven, we're going to be adding some, I was going to use ranch dressing. Of course I am. I'm going to do some ranch dressing right on top. A little drizzle. That. I've got this Taco Bell avocado ranch that I started using lately. It's really, really good. It's kind of slightly tangy. Goes great with Mexican dishes. I always use cilantro, but I know not everybody who watches likes cilantro, so I'm actually going to use parsley this time, which is a great substitute. Because this is in a skillet, you could take this out to the table as is, or in my case, I'm just going to do a little taste test. Ooh, look at that cheese pull. Let's see how far we can go with that cheese. Nope, that was it. This is gonna be a great Taco Tuesday casserole for you. I know you're gonna love it, so will your family. That taco seasoning is amazing. That Kinder's is really good. Make this next time you have like a family get together, you wanna do Taco Tuesday, you're gonna love this.